The Culinary Institute of America at Copia, in collaboration with Butter of Europe, is pleased to bring you Baking and Pastry Excellence, a free online educational series featuring the best in world baking and pastry. Today, we'll watch Chef Barbara Alexander make a classic brown butter pear upside-down cake. The secret is classic French brown butter sauce, adding a delicious finish to the sweet pears and the rich, buttery texture of the cake.
Let's start by making the brown butter. Brown the butter slowly in a heavy saucepan. When it is a beautiful nutty brown color, remove it to a small bowl and allow it to cool completely. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour the cake pan and line it with a circle of parchment. Toast your hazelnuts on a sheet pan for 5 minutes until light golden brown. To remove the brown skins, place them in a clean tea towel and rub vigorously. While you're preparing the hazelnuts, let's get the pears ready. Bring the brown sugar, brandy, and butter to a boil in a sauté pan, whisking till smooth. Add the peeled pear slices and gently stir to completely coat with the sauce. Be careful not to break the pears. Pour the pears and sauce into the cake pan and using a pair of tongs or a spoon, arrange the pears concentrically. Sprinkle with candied ginger and set aside. Place the cooled nuts, confectioner's sugar, salt, and ginger in the bowl of a food processor. Pulse until the nuts are very finely ground. Remove to a bowl and stir in the flour. In a stand mixer with the whisk attachment, whip the egg whites with the cream of tartar until foamy. Very slowly rain in the sugar, continuing to whisk until the egg whites are stiff and glossy. Transfer the egg whites to a large bowl. Fold in half of the nut mixture to the egg whites. When combined, add half the cooled browned butter, and then repeat with the remaining flour and brown butter. Pour the batter over the pears. Smooth the top. Bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Take the pan out of the oven and let sit for 10 minutes. Carefully invert the cake onto a platter, remembering that the caramel sauce is going to be hot. Gently peel off the parchment. Serve with crème fraiche, which is a nice, cool contrast to this rich, buttery cake.
Watch more baking and pastry videos at ciaprochef.com/butter.